Did you know you're losing muscle strength right now as you read this? Have you ever felt that quiet weakness creeping in, even though you haven't noticed any illness? What if I told you there are certain foods that could help reverse this sneaky loss of muscle strength? Most people don't realize it, but after 60, your body starts slowly breaking down muscle tissue. No pain, no warning signs. You wake up feeling exhausted, struggle to get off the couch, or lose your balance on the stairs. This isn't just aging. It's a condition that affects millions of older adults. It's called sarcopenia. But can this process really be stopped? The shocking truth is that scientists have discovered foods that contain compounds capable of rebuilding muscle, even for people over 80. One of these foods might be missing from your kitchen right now. Let's uncover the truth. Sarcopenia is the hidden danger behind muscle weakness that doctors hardly talk about. Have you ever heard of sarcopenia? This silent condition is behind many of the struggles we face as we get older. Sarcopenia, which is the medical term for progressive muscle loss, is now officially recognized as a disease by the World Health Organization. Studies show it begins around age 50, even in people who seem perfectly healthy. Unlike other conditions that come with pain or fever or clear symptoms, sarcopenia works quietly in the background. No warning signs, no alerts. It slowly takes away your strength until it's hard to ignore. You might notice your balance is off, your legs feel weak, or it's hard to get up from a chair. You might start to fall more often without explanation. But what doctors often don't point out is that this condition is heavily influenced by things you can control. The foods you eat or avoid could be the key to keeping your strength for years to come. New studies show that certain nutrients can help your muscles rebuild, even in older age. The best part? Many of these muscle-saving foods are affordable and easy to add to your meals. You may not even realize it, but you might be losing muscle without even noticing, and it could eventually take away your independence. Imagine waking up one day and not being able to get out of bed without help. Picture needing support just to walk across the house. For many older adults, this becomes a reality. And it all starts with no warning. The loss of muscle mass doesn't happen overnight. It slowly gets worse, taking away your strength, balance, and your ability to take care of yourself. For a lot of people, the first sign of sarcopenia is a fall, a slip in the bathroom, tripping over the carpet, or missing a step. It's more than just physical injury. After that, it's fear, insecurity, and dependence. According to research from Harvard Medical School, up to a third of your muscle mass can be lost after age 60, even if you eat well and feel healthy. This happens because your body responds differently to things as it ages. What once kept your muscles strong may no longer be enough, but this doesn't have to be inevitable. Science shows it's possible to slow down or even reverse muscle loss. The trick is knowing which foods to eat and which nutrients your body needs to rebuild muscle. The time to take action is now, before the damage becomes irreversible. Scientists have found that some foods can actually reverse sarcopenia. For generations, people thought muscle loss was just a part of aging, but new breakthroughs are changing that. Today's research shows that while aging changes your body, sarcopenia can be controlled and even reversed with simple steps. Food is one of the most powerful ways to fight back. Harvard Medical School has identified compounds in certain foods that stimulate muscle growth, reduce inflammation, and support muscle regeneration. That means your food choices could do more for your muscles than many medicines. In fact, some foods might even be more effective than pharmaceutical treatments. Rebuilding muscle in people over 80 is possible. One study showed that 91% of participants over 70 regained significant muscle mass in just 6 weeks, just by changing their diet. But it's important to note, these foods are not magic. They work best when eaten regularly as part of a balanced routine, and ideally with medical advice. Their effects add up over time, so the earlier you start, the better. In the next sections, We'll share 13 foods that help rebuild muscle, how to add them to your diet, and common mistakes that could stop you from getting the full benefits. Greek yogurt, the secret food that helps your muscles overnight. Few foods are as complete as Greek yogurt when it comes to preserving muscle. It's made by straining yogurt to remove the liquid whey, concentrating the protein, so you get up to 20 grams of high-quality protein in just 6 ounces. The real magic comes from casein, the type of protein in yogurt. Your body digests it slowly, releasing amino acids over hours, making it perfect to eat before bed. While you sleep, your body is fasting for a long time, and muscle breakdown speeds up. Eating Greek yogurt before bed gives your muscles a steady supply of nutrients through the night. Along with protein, it also provides calcium, vitamin D, and phosphorus, which are essential for muscle and bone health. Plus, its probiotics help balance your gut and improve nutrient absorption, which also helps reduce inflammation in your muscles. For the best results, choose plain Greek yogurt with no added sugar. You can add berries, seeds, or honey for extra flavor and nutrients. Eating it a few times a week, especially at night, can really boost your strength and keep you independent as you get older. Fatty fish, omega-3s, that renew muscle strength. Fish like salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna are powerful allies for keeping your muscles strong as you age. They are packed with complete protein and omega-3 fatty acids, especially EPA and DHA. These compounds help reduce inflammation, which speeds up muscle breakdown in older adults, and they also make your muscles more sensitive to protein. That means your body can use the nutrients more effectively. As you get older, this sensitivity drops, but omega-3s can reverse this. A 3-ounce serving of salmon gives you about 20 grams of protein, along with omega-3s and vitamin D, both important for muscle and bone health. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate fatty fish twice a week experienced less muscle loss and better strength over 3 years. To get the most out of it, grill, roast, or boil your fish. Avoid fried fish or high-sodium canned options. If you find it hard to eat fish regularly, ask your doctor if a good fish oil supplement might be right for you. Whole eggs, the affordable superfood that helps muscle growth. Eggs are among the most complete, affordable foods around. For years, they were thought to be bad for your health because of cholesterol, but recent studies show that for most people, moderate egg consumption doesn't raise cholesterol and can actually improve heart health. For seniors, eggs are a nutritional goldmine. One egg contains about 6 grams of protein, along with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. The yolk is full of nutrients like choline, which is important for muscle and nerve function, and leucine, an amino acid that helps your muscles rebuild. As you get older, your body doesn't respond to muscle-building signals as well, but foods rich in leucine can help. Studies from the University of Illinois showed that eating whole eggs, not just the whites, after exercise can boost muscle response by up to 40% in older adults. Eggs also provide vitamin D, selenium, and iron, nutrients that many older adults lack. For the best results, try to eat 1 or 2 eggs every day, especially for breakfast. They are quick to cook, versatile, and they give you an energy boost while helping to keep your muscles strong. Nuts and seeds, small but powerful defenders of your muscles. Don't let their size fool you. Nuts and seeds are packed with protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that help preserve muscle mass. Just a small handful of almonds, about 1 ounce, gives you 6 grams of protein, along with magnesium, vitamin E, and zinc. Magnesium is crucial for muscle function, helping with contraction and energy production. Zinc helps maintain muscle strength by supporting testosterone levels. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscle fibers from damage caused by free radicals. Also, pumpkin and chia seeds are rich in fiber, which supports a healthy gut and helps you absorb muscle-building nutrients better. Research from Tufts University showed that older adults with higher levels of vitamin E in their blood had significantly less muscle loss. Aim to eat a handful of nuts or seeds every day as a snack or add them to your meals. Just be careful not to overdo it, as they are high in calories. Beans and legumes, the natural combo that nourishes and protects your muscles. Beans like lentils, chickpeas, peas, and black beans are great for preserving muscle mass, especially in older adults. 1 cup of cooked beans has up to 15 grams of protein, plus essential minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. But beans have another benefit. They contain resistant starch, which nourishes the good bacteria in your gut and helps reduce inflammation, one of the key factors in muscle loss. Studies have shown that people with a healthy gut have better muscle health. Beans also provide iron, which helps bring oxygen to your muscles, supporting strength and recovery. Research from Tufts University showed that older adults who ate beans regularly had better endurance and less muscle loss over the years. If you have digestive issues, try starting with small portions and increase gradually. Soaking your beans before cooking can also make them easier to digest. Dark greens, the leafy vegetables that boost muscle health. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are packed with nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps improve blood flow, which means your muscles get better circulation and more oxygen. This helps them recover faster and stay strong. A study from Sweden's Karolinska Institute found that older adults with a higher intake of nitrates showed better muscle function. Dark greens are also full of magnesium, calcium, and vitamin K, all of which help muscles work better and prevent bone loss. Research has linked higher vitamin K levels to stronger muscles and better physical performance in older adults. Try to eat at least 2 cups of dark greens every day. You can put them in salads, soups, or saute them with some olive oil and garlic. Olive oil, the healthy fat that supports muscle strength. When people talk about building muscle, they usually think about protein, but fat is just as important. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is rich in compounds that reduce inflammation, a key factor in muscle breakdown. Olive oil contains oleocanthal, which acts like ibuprofen to fight inflammation. It also helps muscles use nutrients better and supports the production of hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, both of which help maintain muscle mass. Studies from the University of Navarra found that older adults who ate olive oil daily had more strength, better mobility, and a lower risk of frailty. For the best results, aim for 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil every day. You can drizzle it on salads, use it for cooking at low temperatures, or add it to your meals as a finishing touch. Berries, the antioxidants that protect your muscles from aging. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants that fight the damage caused by free radicals, which break down muscle tissue. Studies from Tufts University have shown that older adults who ate berries regularly had better muscle function and recovered more quickly after exercise. Berries also contain vitamin C, which is important for collagen, a protein that supports muscles and tendons. Eating berries regularly can protect your muscles from the aging process and keep you strong. Try to eat a cup of berries every day, whether fresh or frozen, in smoothies, yogurt, or just on their own. Lean meat, the protein that helps prevent muscle loss. Lean red meats like chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are excellent sources of protein that support muscle growth. A 3-ounce portion of lean meat provides about 25 grams of high-quality protein, along with iron, zinc, and B vitamins. These nutrients help your muscles recover and keep your energy levels up. Lean meat is also rich in leucine, an amino acid that helps activate muscle growth. Studies from McMaster University have shown that older adults who ate lean red meat gained more muscle mass compared to those who ate plant-based protein. Try to eat lean meat 2 to 3 times a week. Whey protein, the best protein for rebuilding muscles. Whey protein derived from milk, is one of the most effective proteins for rebuilding muscle. It's quickly absorbed by the body and packed with leucine, the amino acid that kickstarts muscle growth. Studies from McMaster University have shown that older adults who consumed whey protein had better strength, balance, and overall muscle health. Aim to take 20 to 30 grams of whey protein daily, especially after exercise or if you have a meal low in protein. You can mix it with fruits, seeds, or yogurt to make a smoothie that helps restore your strength. Oatmeal, the breakfast that helps preserve your muscle mass. Oats aren't just for cholesterol, they're great for muscle health too. Oats are full of fiber, which helps nourish your gut and support nutrient absorption. They also contain protein and important minerals like magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, which are essential for muscle function. Studies from the University of São Paulo have shown that people who eat oatmeal regularly have better physical performance and less muscle loss as they get older. Try to eat oatmeal for breakfast, mixed with milk, yogurt, or fruit. Tofu and tempeh, plant-based proteins that help protect your muscles. Tofu and tempeh are both great plant-based sources of protein. Tempeh, in particular, provides up to 20 grams of protein per serving, plus fiber, iron, and calcium. These soy-based foods can help preserve muscle mass and provide a healthy alternative to animal proteins. Studies show that people who eat soy protein have better muscle health. Add tofu or tempeh to your diet 2 to 3 times a week for a healthy protein boost. Avocados, the healthy fat that boosts your hormones and muscle strength. Avocados are full of healthy fats that support muscle maintenance, especially in older adults. They help balance hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, which are crucial for muscle health. They also provide potassium, which is essential for muscle contraction. Studies from the University of California have shown that diets high in healthy fats, like those in avocados, are linked to better physical performance and lower muscle frailty in older adults. Try to eat 2 to 3 tablespoons of avocado every day, whether on toast, in smoothies, or in salads. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future tips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you stay healthy in every step, every breath, and every bite. See you in the next video.